Hello, I'm Jarvis Hunt with Wayner Global, and today we're going to do some service work on our 10.7 Everchill refrigerator. And some of the tools you'll need is a screw gun with a Phillips bit and a small screwdriver. We're going to start with the freezer fan assembly. First thing you're going to need to do is remove the small screw covers. There's two of them, one at the top and one on the left and right. Remove your screws. Then you can pull out on the top, but be careful because the plug is right here on the top left corner. You're gonna have to reach in there and unplug it. And the assembly is removed. And if you hear a noise, it's because this wire has been pulled out of the clips. So that's an easy repair. You can just put it back in here, put some tape on it, and you'll be good to go. Now to reassemble it, just going to slide it in there and ensure that it's locked in place in the bottom. Reach back here and plug your fan in. And push it back in place. Reinstall your screws and your screw covers. And that is how you service the components on the 10.7 Everchill refrigerator.